Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pesto sauce using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, and about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. These fresh components are the foundation for a truly vibrant and flavorful pesto that you'll love. Now let's get blending. Start by adding your fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of pine nuts into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are finely chopped, but not a paste. Next, add the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until everything is well combined. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for a great pesto. Your sauce should be thick enough to coat a spoon, but still easily pourable. If it seems too thick, simply add 1 or 2 more tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, one at a time, until you reach your desired texture. Don't forget to taste your pesto and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. You want a balanced flavor that truly shines. Your homemade pesto is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Toss it with hot pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or use it as a dip for fresh vegetables. To store any leftovers, place the pesto in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For best results, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top to keep it vibrant green. For longer storage, you can even freeze it in ice cube trays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.